Ice creams are loaded with sugar, fat, and carbohydrates. Excessive consumption can lead to many health disorders like diabetes, obesity, depression, lethargy, allergies, and excess production of mucus in the body. We are all well aware of these facts. Still, ice creams are just irresistible in the summer. I will tell 5 easy tips which will help in minimizing the harmful effects of ice cream on your health. Tip number 1. Try to consume ice cream roughly between 12 noon to 2 pm of the day. This is the time when our digestive capacity is the strongest. If we opt to eat ice cream during these hours, our body will have sufficient time to fully digest it. Tip number 2. Prepare a ginger appetizer. Take a ginger root and cut it in thin round slices. Take lime juice and add a pinch of salt to it. Dip 2 to 3 slices of ginger into the lime juice and chew it. Consume it 15 minutes before eating ice cream. This ginger appetizer will set your digestive fire ablaze and help in the complete digestion of ice cream. Tip number 3. Try to have ice creams that incorporate a bit of spices like cinnamon, pepper, nutmeg, ginger, as these spices are hot and ignites the digestive fire. Tip number 4. Due to the mildly pungent and hot nature of cardamom, it helps balance both cold and sweet foods. Cardamom, when added to dairy, it helps reduce the production of mucus. Hence, cardamom is considered as VIP antidote to ice cream. Next time, when you go to an ice cream parlor, you can keep a small sachet of cardamom powder in your purse. Tip number 5. Eating in moderation is the key mantra. Do not eat more than 1 scoop of ice cream at a time. These tips are completely natural and without any side effects. Yet, please seek your physician's guidance in case you are having a health condition. We will share the reference link of this information in the description box. Hope you find these tips useful. So next time, enjoy your ice cream without any guilt. Stay happy, stay healthy.